Let's make our egg and ham or brawn sandwich. And you're going to start with some bread, some tomatoes. You're going to have some onions. You're going to have some eggs, some brawn or ham, some lettuce, some soy sauce, and some blue band for your bread. And add up some oil in your pan and add it in a hot pan. Swirl that around and let it coat the base. And then you're going to come in with your onions and you'll add that and you're just going to mix it up and let it be coated with all that good oil. And you're going to reduce your fire at this point so that it doesn't burn. Come with some salt and some soy sauce, and be careful with the soy sauce because soy sauce is a bit salty, so avoid putting in too much. And you're going to just mix that until everything is well combined, and you're going to let it cook until it's kind of translucent and cooked through. Then you're going to put some blue band on your bread, and you're just going to place that bread on your pan, and you're going to let that bread brown before turning it around to the other side. And you're going to see the orange, the golden brown, sorry, color, and that is ready to go. You're going to add some oil in your pan and add your egg. Don't use a don't beat the egg, just use a whole like egg and place it in. Once that's ready, you're going to flip it on the other side. If you don't like the runniness of the egg, you can kind of press it down so that it cooks through. That's what I personally do because I don't like the runniness. And you're going to do that for all your eggs. But if you like the runniness, when you flip, don't let it cook for so long, and then it's going to come out still having that runniness. And then you're going to assemble with your bread, your ham or your brawn, and you're going to come in with some of that with the egg, and then you're going to add your lettuce on top, and then just try to make it fixed on the sides, so not so overflowing. And then you'll add your onions, and this is you're going to add as much or as little as you want. There's no limit to what you can put. It's your food, so do it how you like it. You're going to add some salted tomatoes, and you're going to come back again with your second egg, or you can add your bacon if you have any bacon at this point. And you're going to cover that, and it's ready to eat and enjoy. This is a simple and easy recipe. You can make this when you've come from work and you're exhausted, or you've been working from home all day and you're exhausted. It's such an easy and light, it's a easy and heavy meal actually. You'll be really full. Enjoy.